Hi everybody, I'm Barry Clark with Audio Video Charlotte. Over my shoulder, we're going to talk about the 82-inch flat panel and the 5.1 surround system that you see in this luxurious clubhouse. On the wall we have every conceivable type of hookup to take care of any auxiliary requirements that any of the users of this room might have, from Ethernet, HDMI, USB, analog audio, as well as mains power for a portable device. We have a lockable secure cabinet keeping the equipment safe against theft and any abuse from someone that's in the clubhouse. Having the ability to play physical music from a portable device like a smartphone or tablet.